Going to factory reset your iPad but forgot your Apple ID password, or your Apple ID is disabled. Then how to reset iPad to factory settings without Apple ID. This video will show you two methods to reset iPad without Apple ID. The first is to use PassFab iPhone Unlocker. You can go to official website to get this tool. Now connect your iPad to the computer and run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Select Unlock Apple ID feature of PassFab iPhone Unlocker. And trust the computer on iPad. Read the disclaimer carefully. And click Start Remove. Then confirm that you set a screen lock before. And two-factor authentication is on. Then download the matching firmware. Once done, click Start Remove. And wait. After iPad restarts, set it up. When you meet the activation lock, there should be Unlock with passcode below the Apple ID and password bar. Tap it and select Use Device Passcode. Enter your passcode. And you can unlock it. The second is to use iTunes. Connect your iPad to the computer. Press and hold power button and home button to put it into recovery mode. Then restore iPad. Once done, unlock your iPad with passcode.